Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing access. Enable the Google Cloud project, attach billing, and turn on the Pinpoint API. Once done, create a service account and grant Pinpoint and pub/sub permissions. This avoids permission errors later. Make sure you download the JSON key and install gCloud locally so you can authenticate quickly. After authenticating, verify API access by calling a basic list or health endpoint. These steps get you into the console and CLI immediately so you can start building. Next, you create a Pinpoint application and enable the channels you need: SMS, email, and push. Configure sender identities and verify domains or phone numbers so messages can be delivered. Request increased quotas if you plan scale. Then set up an event stream to capture opens, clicks, and deliveries into BigQuery or pub/sub for analysis. Create audience segments and reusable message templates. This separates content from targeting and speeds campaign builds. Make sure templates include fallbacks for missing user attributes. Finally, run a targeted test campaign to validate delivery paths, links, and analytics. You should watch the dashboard and event logs in real time. These show delivery, open, and bounce rates and help you adjust content or throttling. When satisfied, scale campaigns incrementally while monitoring quotas and costs. If things go wrong, inspect IAM roles, sender verification, quota limits, and pub/sub or BigQuery logs. Often a permissions or verification issue blocks delivery. Fix that, then rerun the test and proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.